Elizabeth? You playing in your pool? Huh? AKA your ball pit? Huh? Ready? Elizabeth? Elizabeth? Yeah! Yeah! Huh? You having fun? Yeah, we ordered real balls, but they're not coming till tomorrow. So these will work for now. So much fun! Say bye-bye! Elizabeth, say bye-bye! You look at the camera one last time? Elizabeth! Hey! You're so cute, buddy.